Hi. So what we're going to look at in this video is the difference between gross and net pay. So gross pay is the amount of pay you get before any deductions are made. So that's how much you standardly, that's how much you should get paid, that's how much you will get paid. But however, there's such things called deductions, which will get automatically taken off from your gross pay. These things could be student loan repayments, pension payments, income tax, number of things could take deductions off your gross pay. So what we then want to calculate is how much money is actually going to enter your bank account, and that is your net pay, where net pay equals gross pay minus deductions. So you can, from your gross pay, you can calculate your net pay by taking away all of the deductions. Okay? So, example 1, calculate net pay. If gross pay equals £2,401 per month, your student loan repayment was £140 and your tax was £292. So the first thing we need to work out is our total deductions. So our total deductions will be £432. And now to get our net pay, so it was as straightforward as just adding all the deductions and then taking them away from the gross pay. Let's do the opposite question. I've given you your net pay, or rather your final pay, as £1,852.74, and I've told you that you had £472.03 of deductions. So what was our gross pay? So if you remember, net pay equals gross minus deductions. So gross pay must be net plus deductions. So our gross pay must have been £2,324.77. So a slightly more complicated question. Calculate monthly take-home pay if you earn 35,000 PA. Now hopefully remember that PA stands for per annum, which just means per year. You pay £1,743.21 of that to student loans, and then you pay £6,431.32 to income tax, and then you also pay 7.1% of your gross pay into a pension scheme. So it's a bit complicated, let's just take it in steps. First step would be to find out our total deductions. I can't do that yet because I need to find out our pensions payment, but we know how to hopefully find percentages. So it's going to be 7.1% of our gross pay being 35,000, so it's 7.1% of 35,000. So hopefully you remember to calculate percentages. So we divide by 100 and times by the percentage. So I've worked out that our total deductions is £10,659.53, but I want my net pay, but we're not finished yet because that is how much we have net pay per year, but I asked per month, so the last thing would be to divide it by 12. Which comes out as £2,028.37 a month, remembering that money gets rounded to 2 decimal places. Okay, so hopefully that's explained what gross and net pay are and what the potential deductions could be, and that should help you calculate all that stuff. Go.